Hey, you gotta do it. One in Dominican, right?
Hi, Bobby. Hi, Mom.
Dive in here. Watch this stuff. You guys take care. Okay? I'll go check on your house on Wednesday.
Yeah.
Okay?
Bye, Dad.
Bye,
Love
sweetie.
you.
That's the train I take. Bye, bye.
Thanks for driving us.
What's that? You FaceTime me at one point.
Okay.
Nice mic.
Bye, Dad.
Over here, please, quickly. Oh, no. No,
Oh,
thank you.
thank you.
Take care.
Thanks.
Morning.
How are ya?
Yourself?
Anywhere you wanna go, I follow. Mountain high and river low, I follow.
Arriving in Punta Cana. Got my bag, boy. Didn't forget him.
20 minutes later.
Mountain high and river low, I follow. Take me to the water, I follow.
So we have arrived in Punta Cana, going out for our first night. We're staying at the Riu Republica. So far so good. We're not like huge fans of the Rio hotels, but so far like we're really impressed by like the room and everything. Like everything's been really good, service amazing. So we will keep you posted. We are here with our two best friends, Chelsea and Matt.
Hey, you gotta do it. One in Dominican, right?
So we're having a great time, and today I think we're just gonna like hit up the buffet or something like easy, but we'll see what we decide. What is sweating?
My balls.
Cheers!
What the fuck is this?
That's gonna be good.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Day one and beer wasted.
Yeah.
Thanks for this guy right here.
We need too many shots, okay? Are you sleeping?
No, you gotta do it together.
Day one in Punta Cana. I already had to go back to my room to get a new pair of sunglasses because the ocean decided to swallow them up. So yeah, it's becoming like a reoccurring thing right now that when I go on vacation I either lose or break my sunglasses. So Cute Italy. Oh, my sunglasses broke too. Anyways, whatever, brand new. I don't know, girl.
Here.
Oh no, it's Mama Juana.
Cheers. Oh, that one's strong.
That Mama Juana. No bueno. Best friend love. Oh, Dominique from Canada.
Dominic from Canada, aplauso, aplauso. 1, 2, 3, go.
Oh, she got it.
I'll take the wine.
Aplauso, 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 aplauso.
Thank you.
Don't say goodbye tonight. Let's follow this feeling. Dare you to leave the world behind. Let time go by. Let's get lost together. You and me lost forever young. Searching for something better. Everything we
At the buffet you can sit either inside or outside. Obviously, outside is better. So let's get some plate. Steak wasn't bad yesterday, actually.
Maybe an unbuttoned.
An unbuttoned shirt.
Oh.
Hola. How are you?
Here, give me a kiss.
Un beso.
Right here.
On the cheek.
You
No.
want to talk? Want to talk?
No asparagus out here.
I swear it went like that.
No, the one we had last night was so cool. It was
Just in the middle of getting ready to go out for the day. Last night was the white party and it poured rain on everyone. It's a good time. Nightlife here, there's a quiet side, just like the daytime. There's a quiet side and then a crazy party side. They have like the crazy pool, which is pretty much just a cesspool of people who are wasted and have, just, there's a bee right here. And, other than that, this resort is pretty good. Everyone is like our age, so it's like, I would say that it's like 25 to 30 range for an age group here. So, and then there's like 60 plus. There's no one really in between. It's kind of weird, but we're gonna go hit the buffet right now. There's 2 buffets. One by us, which is actually a little bit better because it's more quiet, so you can actually get like hash browns and food that you want. The other one's a little bit more crazy. There's a lot of food, obviously, but you know, people are savage here, honestly. They just like load up their plate and whatever, like typical all-inclusive type thing. But anyways, we're having a great time. And we're planning on doing the buggies on Thursday. So we're gonna go book that this morning. It's about 65 US per person, but we haggled them down to about 50, so we'll see if that all works out there. I will let you know.
Let's get lost together. You and me lost forever young. Searching for something better. Everything I need is right in front of me. Let's get lost together.
Yesterday, we picked up a flyer from the front desk that says like shops, because there's like shops just down here. I swear you could walk there. Anyway, so we asked the front desk because he said there's a free shuttle. And we're like, oh, can you pick us up? Whatever. The guy's like, yeah, sure. Just get in this this shuttle here. It's like a better mall. And we're like, oh, we don't want to go to the better mall. We want to go to that one. And they're like, no, this one's the better one. Like, just get on the shuttle. Like, you'll be fine. It's only 5 extra minutes. Anyways, it ends up being an extra 30 minutes. And the mall is just like 5 stores. This is the entire place. Literally. So ridiculous. So we come to the mall, we got like a free shuttle, and it's supposed to be like a huge mall where you go shopping, and honestly it's so tiny. It took us 30 minutes to get here, and there is 5 stores. We came back and we were like so pissed, so today we're probably gonna try out the market that's right there. Just because Chelsea and Matt, they want to get like souvenirs and stuff, and like we want to try and see if they have alcohol and like vanilla. So yeah, we will try and see if we can do that today as well. Thank you.
That one in the
It's in case they get robbed.
cigar store.
Yes. Protect your house.
Hi, cutie. You're so pretty. Hi, baby. Is someone's dog?
Lulu?
Is your dog? Your dog?
Lulu.
Oh.
Hi, Lulu.
It's got nice teeth, actually.
You're so pretty. Give kisses. Oh my goodness.
Oh. Look at his
Look
smile.
at his smile.
Look at his smile.
Oh, hi.
Hi.
Hi, Lulu.
He's so cute.
For the coastline, someplace under the sun. I feel my heart for the first time, 'cause now I'm moving, oh yeah, I'm moving. And there's a place that I've dreamed of, where I can free my mind. I hear the sounds of the season and lose all sense of time.
Where are we going?
Dune buggies. Y ahí viene el chocolate. The chocolate come from this things. ¿Lo ven ahí? ¿Se puede ver? Yes, when the chocolate is dry, it looks like this. El Nesquik Dominicano. Dominican Nesquik, ladies and gentlemen. Beautiful. And as you know, I'm in love with the cocoa. I'm in love with the cocoa. Sí, claro. El coco es bueno.
My hands are fucking.
Es orégano fresco, fresh oregano. Para cocinar, for cooking. Eso es bueno para la pizza, para la pasta, las sopas y demás. La marihuana dominicana, ¿aquí sabían?
Sí, look it up.
Como que se pusieron nerviosos, ¿eh? Yeah, If you need it, I don't need it, but I like it. It's good to have a backup, you know what I mean? Miren, chicos, cuando tomamos esto, when you drink this, sucede esto, chicas. Hakuna Matata cuchillo. ¿Sí? Eso es una ilustración perfecta. ¿Es una menor? Se prepara así. You make it like this. Miren, se ponen 2 dedos de miel, 3 de vino tinto, el resto alcohol. You're gonna do 2 fingers of honey, 3 wine, and the rest alcohol. Mama Juana, Viagra Dominicana. Sí, señor. Le informe, tenemos puro. We have the cigar factory. If you guys, me lo traen para acá, me lo dejan aquí. So, we have the cigar factory. If you guys are looking for a good Dominican cigar, so here we have good Dominican cigar.
Kill it, Chels. It's so hot. I can't even hold it. Oh, it's so good. It's so good. Oh. Go, Chels! Woo! Come on, babe! Kill it! Woo! Woo! Still full of mud regardless.
Water shoes?
Come and see the cheapy cheapy.
You Rambo, Papa, you strong, no problem. No. Look at Papa.
Oh, what did he catch? A seed.
Look it.
Oh my God.
Look at Jordan now.
Woo! Oh. Oh. I don't want it to poop on me.
Thank you.
No.
No.
Papa, what happened? You give me a couple $2, Papa.
Some aftermath. Okay, here's your killer. Chili cheese fries for the win. Here at the Riu Republica Resort. Honestly, we have no complaints. Like, we heard so many reviews online about how people were upset about the service and stuff, and like the only thing that I would say like the service is not very good at would be one of the buffets. Like, there's 2 buffets and like one of them is just not as good as the other. Really big, and the service at that one is honestly fine. Maybe the smaller one, I would say, like, it could use improvement. And then like around the pool, when they bring you drinks, sometimes they go missing and they just don't come back. But other than that, like, we really have had great service and can't complain. Say bye to Punta Cana. Delayed by like 2 hours now. Sunwing special, so we call the Sunwing special.